As we step into the vehicle, you can see that the vehicle base has already been installed. Utilizing the fastener bolts at the bottom of the passenger seat, simply remove those, slide the plate below the original seat mounts, and reinstall the factory bolts. Once the vehicle base is installed, it's relatively easy to install the rest of it. We simply place the pedestal on top using the supplied fasteners. Utilizing the supplied fasteners, we install the pedestal base to the vehicle base with the mongoose on top. Now that we have the pedestal base installed, I'm sitting on the passenger side of the vehicle, so you can see how it really doesn't restrict my seating space at all. We're going to install the ZX10 docking station directly to the mongoose here on the plate. Once that docking station is installed, you can see how we can move this around. The clever part behind the mongoose is that you can pull it out with a lock, and then pushing it away from the user, who would be sitting in the driver's seat at this point in time, it just goes away. I'm now sitting in the driver's seat, the normal position that you'd be operating this type of device. I've got my ZX10 Getac tablet docked securely in my ZX10 Gamber-Johnson docking station. As you can see, I've got pivot, both left and right, all the way around. With the mongoose, I can slide it all the way out. I can also pull on the lever here, rotate it so that it's a perfect positioning for my work. And then one-handed undocking, securely in place after it's docked. And then when I'm all done and I'm ready to transport or move around, slide it out of my way, and I'm ready to rock and roll.